Good morning, class. So today we'll be looking at process costing. So in my first video, I've explained what is process costing, what is normal loss, what is scrapped, abnormal loss, abnormal gain, and what is waste. Now, but today we'll be taking a question that has process A, process B, process C without WIP. Now, there's a question on the board. Etete Manufacturing Co. Limited produce Ete. The name of the product is Ete through three processes, which is A, B, and C. Then they gave us the information related to the company's activities in August 2008. Material introduced. This is the input: 1000 kg for A, 500 and 500 for C, B and C respectively. So the first thing you need to do, first deal with the unit column. Now, what is unit column? I'm going to prepare a process costing account for A first. I'm starting with A first. So the output of A will be the input of B, and so on till I get to C. So now the first step, let's take a look at the material. This is 1000 for A and was obtained at 20 naira. So that is the input. I will just come to my process costing account. This is the input: 1000, 20 naira. That will give me what? 20,000 naira. Remember I said deal with the input. Leave this amount column first. Now I will now read further in the additional information. What other things do I need? A normal loss of what? 10%. Normal loss of 10% will be on what? 10% on the input. So 10% of 1000 naira will give me what? 100. But we are told that the normal loss was converted to what? Scrapped. So it was sold for what? 5 naira. This is the 5 naira here. So I'll bring this 5 naira to this side. So that gives me what? 500. If it had not been sold, that means it will still remain as what? Normal loss. So but this one, it was converted what? Scrapped. Now, the next thing I will look at it. What do I need again? So do I have output? Now I have output of 950 kg. So this 950 kg, 1000 units was received. After passing the normal processes, then it was now transferred. So I'll bring in my output here. 950. You can see I put it under the units column. Then let's balance the unit. So 100 plus 950. So that gives me 1050 units. So you can look at it now. Here I have 1000 units. So that means there's what? Abnormal gain. Abnormal gain of 50 units. So to balance this, you can see if this side, if the unit on this side is greater than this, you are going to have what? Abnormal loss. But if the credit side is greater than the debit side of the unit, you are going to have what? Abnormal gain. Now we are done with the unit. So the next thing is to do what? Let's just input the other details we have. So let's start with labor. Labor is 20,000. This one will come under cost. So labor is what? 20,000 to come under cost. What next again? Overheads is what? 5,000. Also under cost. So what other things do we need there? Okay, that's all. We've done normal loss, we've done output. So let's get our total cost. Then I need to get my cost units. My cost unit is total cost minus scrap divided by what? Expected. So what is my total cost? My total cost is 20, that is 40 plus 5. That gives me what? 45,000. What is my scrapped? Look at it, 500. Now what is my expected? My expected is the input minus the normal loss. So expected equals to input minus normal loss. So yeah, what is my input here? My input here is what? 1000 units. My normal loss is what? 100 units. So that will give me what? 900. So I will say okay, 45,000 minus 500, that give me 44,500 divided by 900. So if I divide it by 900, that give me 49.44. 49.44. I'll bring it here. 49.44. Then I'll bring it here also. 49.44. Now I'll multiply with 950 naira times 950 units, sorry. That give me 46,972. 46,972. Then I will repeat the same, also 50 times 49.44. That give me 2472. You see it now. Now let's balance the amount now. The both sides must be equal. So this will now be 46,972 plus 500. This give me 47,472. So this is 20, 20, 40 plus 45. So 45,000 plus 2472. So this means 47,472. Now that's all for process A. So you can see now that it's not difficult. So if I want to start process B, this will be my what? Input. So it will be transfer from process A to B. So at this point, I'll stop it at process A. Then the next video I will do process B. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day.